Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 8 I, you, he, she, it, we, they. So, what are I, you, he, she, it, we, they? These are some of the words which are used in the place of naming words. So, now we will come to the paragraphs 1 and 2. Paragraph 1. Ananya is going to Goa tomorrow. Ananya is packing her suitcase. Ananya went to buy t-shirts and shorts for the trip. Ananya is going to stay at her sister's house. Ananya is taking chocolates for her sister. So, in this paragraph, we see that the word Ananya, it occurs always. It occurs more than one times. Now we will see paragraph 2. Ananya is going to Goa tomorrow. She is packing her suitcase. She went to buy t-shirts and shorts for her trip. She is going to stay at her sister's house. She is taking chocolates for her sister. So, in paragraph 2, we see that she is used in place of Ananya every time. So, Ananya is a naming word and the word she is used in place of Ananya every time. So, what does it say? Do you see any differences in the two paragraphs? Which would replace the name Ananya in the second paragraph? So, a question arises that we are seeing that in first paragraph we see Ananya, the name of Ananya occurs several times. But in paragraph 2, Ananya is overcome by she. So, we use she in place of Ananya. So, the word which replaces the name Ananya in second paragraph is she, she. Now we will read some of the more examples. My name is Kajal. I am 6 years old. Here, naming word is Kajal and I is used in place of Kajal. So, Kajal is a naming word and I is the word which is used in place of Kajal. Number second. Take this storybook. You will enjoy reading it. So, here storybook is a naming word and it is a word which is used in place of storybook. Rashid likes to play football. He plays with his neighbors. Here, Rashid is a naming word and he is used in place of Rashid. Next sentence. Sonam has a new dress. She will wear it today. Now it is seen that in this sentence Sonam is a naming word and she is used in place of Sonam. I have a new cat. It drinks milk. So here cat is a naming word and it is being used in the place of cat. Vansika and I are best friends. We always sit next to each other. So here Vansika and I, these two are naming words and we is used in the place of Vansika and I. The last sentence. Radha and her friends went for a picnic. They had a lot of fun. Here Radha, friends, these are naming words and they is used in place of Radha and friends. So they is the word which is used in the place of Radha and her friends. Therefore, we see that the words I, you, she, he, it, we and they are used in the place of naming words. So, from the above sentences, we came to know that I, you, he, she, it, these are the some of the words which are used in the place of naming words. Now we will come to the exercises. Exercise A. Read these sets of sentences. Circle the naming words and underline the word used in place in the second sentence. One has been done for you. So, in these sentences, we have to circle the naming words and underline the words which is used in place of the naming words. So, we have a pet puppy. It is very naughty. So, here puppy is a naming word and it is a word used in place of puppy. Number 2. Sana does not like chips. She will not eat them. Here, naming words are Sana and chips. And the words used in place of Sana and chips are she and them. Number 3. The shirt is dirty. Put it in the washing machine. Here in number 3, shirt is a naming word and it is the word which is used in place of shirt. So shirt is being circled and it is being underlined. Mary and Jayesh are my friends. They are from Goa. Here Mary and Jamesh are naming words and they is the word which is used in place of Mary and Jamesh. This is Hemant. He collects stamps. Here Hemant is a naming word and he is a word which is used in place of Hemant. Number 6. Arjun and I are good players. We like to play cricket. Here Arjun and I are naming words and we is a word which is used in place of Arjun and I. Now we will come to exercise B. Complete these sentences with the correct word from the box. Use capital letters whenever needed. So options are given and we have to fill the blanks using these options. Number 1. This is Anu. Dash is kicking the ball. So the answer will be C because Anu is a girl and the word C will go with Anu. Number 2. Ajay and Meeta are at home. They are playing Ludo. Now Ajay and Meeta, they are more than one. So we will use the word they. That is Abhay. Dash is sitting on a chair. So Abhay is a boy. We will use he in place of Abhay. What color is the bag? Dash is purple in color. So bag is a thing. We will use it in place of bag. So the fourth answer will be it. Hi Sajid, are Dash going to the park? So somebody is asking, hi Sajid, are you going to the park? Somebody is asking to Sajid, are you going to the park? Yes sir, Dash know the answer. So somebody is replying, yes sir, I know the answers. Now we will come to exercise number C. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Rohan is a clever boy. Dash can make many things with paper. So the word he will be used because Rohan, he is a boy. He is a male. So we will use he. Isa goes to Priya's house every Sunday. Dash go to the park to play. So Isa and Priya, two girls are there. So we will use they. More than one person is present. So we will use they. My father wakes up early. Dash goes for a run every morning. So my father, he is a male. So we will use he. I like the blue fish. Dash has long tail. So blue fish is a thing. Blue fish, we don't know whether it is a male or female. So we will use it. My grandmothers live in Kolkata. So Dash visit us during the holidays. So my grandmother, she is a female. We will use she in place of grandmother. Now tick the correct sentences and cross the incorrect one. So you have to tick the correct sentences and cross the incorrect one. Many children are playing in the park. They are all boys. So this will be a correct sentence. Sarah likes to sing. She wants to be a singer. Here Sarah is a girl and the word she is present. So this is also correct. Do not stand in the rain. They will catch a cold. Here this sentence is not correct because it should be present in place of they. So a cross will be put. Subodh and Arun are in army. He is very brave. Here no he will be there. Here a word they will be present. So this sentence is also incorrect. I am going to Ved's house in the afternoon. I will go to the fair together. This sentence is also incorrect because in place of I, we will be there. So students, today we have completed chapter 8. So in our next video, we will start the next chapter. So that's all for today. Thank you.